If you've ever felt a pull towards something greater, like you're destined for more than just the everyday, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a truly fascinating topic: the 9 types of chosen ones and their divine purposes. We're talking about individuals who, in various traditions and beliefs, are thought to have a special role to play, a unique contribution to make to the world. It's about recognizing the spark within ourselves and others that signifies a larger mission. Now, before we jump in, let's clarify something important. When we talk about chosen ones, we're not talking about being inherently superior or better than anyone else. Instead, it's about recognizing that each soul has a unique blueprint, a specific set of gifts and challenges designed to help them fulfill a particular purpose. It's about empowerment, understanding your potential, and realizing that your life has profound meaning. So, whether you identify with one of these types or simply find inspiration in the concept, get ready to unlock some amazing insights. Let's explore these incredible archetypes and see if any resonate with your own journey. First up, we have the empathic healer. These individuals possess an extraordinary ability to feel and absorb the emotions and energies of others. Their divine purpose is to bring comfort, understanding, and healing to those in pain. Think of them as emotional sponges, but instead of being overwhelmed, they learn to transmute that energy into love and support. They're often drawn to professions like counseling, nursing, or therapy, or simply become the friend everyone confides in. If you find yourself deeply affected by the suffering of others and feel a natural inclination to soothe and mend, you might be an empathic healer. Their challenge is learning to set boundaries and protect their own energy, but their gift is boundless compassion. Next, we have the visionary leader. These are the trailblazers, the innovators, the ones who see possibilities where others see obstacles. Their divine purpose is to guide humanity towards new paradigms, inspiring collective growth and positive change. They often have a strong sense of justice and an unwavering belief in a better future. Visionary leaders aren't necessarily loud or charismatic. They can be quiet thinkers who meticulously plan and execute transformative ideas. They might be founders of movements, revolutionary artists, or influential scientists. If you're constantly imagining new ways to improve the world and feel a drive to rally people towards a common, uplifting goal, this could be you. Third, we encounter the truth seeker. For these individuals, the pursuit of knowledge and understanding is paramount. Their divine purpose is to unveil hidden truths, challenge conventional wisdom, and bring clarity to complex issues. They are insatiably curious, always asking why, and digging deeper than the surface. They might be researchers, philosophers, journalists, or spiritual teachers who dedicate their lives to uncovering fundamental principles. They value authenticity and integrity above all else. If you feel a relentless urge to understand the universe, humanity, and your own existence, and you're not afraid to question assumptions, you might be a truth seeker on a profound quest. Moving on, let's talk about the bridge builder. These are the peacemakers, the diplomats, the ones who effortlessly connect disparate groups and foster harmony. Their divine purpose is to unite, reconcile, and create understanding between people or cultures that might otherwise be at odds. They possess excellent communication skills and an innate ability to see multiple perspectives. They can diffuse tension, mediate conflicts, and create spaces for cooperation, whether in their personal lives, communities, or on a global scale. Bridge builders are essential for fostering unity. If you consistently find yourself bringing people together and mending divisions, you are likely fulfilling this vital role. Fifth on our list is the creative alchemist. These individuals are channels for divine inspiration, transforming abstract ideas into tangible expressions of beauty and meaning. Their divine purpose is to uplift, inspire, and awaken humanity through their artistic creations. They might be painters, musicians, writers, dancers, or designers who pour their soul into their work. Their art isn't just for entertainment. It's a form of communication that transcends words, often carrying profound spiritual messages or evoking deep emotions. If you feel a powerful urge to create and express yourself through an artistic medium, and your creations often resonate deeply with others, you are a creative alchemist. Next, we have the Earthkeeper. These individuals feel a profound connection to the natural world and are driven to protect and preserve it. Their divine purpose is to be stewards of the planet, advocating for environmental harmony and sustainable living. They are often deeply sensitive to the well-being of animals, plants, and ecosystems. They might be environmental activists, conservationists, or simply individuals who live in deep reverence for nature and inspire others to do the same. If you feel a strong calling to protect and cherish our planet, recognizing its sacredness and advocating for its future, you are undoubtedly an Earthkeeper. Seventh, we find the Cosmic Teacher. These are the wisdom bearers, the spiritual guides, the ones who illuminate the path for others seeking higher consciousness. Their divine purpose is to share ancient knowledge, spiritual truths, and universal laws to aid in humanity's spiritual evolution. They are often deep thinkers, profound communicators, and possess an expansive understanding of the universe. They might be mentors, spiritual coaches, or authors whose words resonate deeply and awaken others to their own spiritual potential. If you feel a natural inclination to guide others on their spiritual journey and share profound insights, you might be a cosmic teacher. Our eighth type is the sacred rebel. These individuals challenge outdated systems, unjust norms, and oppressive structures. Their divine purpose is to dismantle what no longer serves humanity and pave the way for something more just and equitable. They are not rebels without a cause. Their rebellion is rooted in a deep sense of integrity and a vision for a better world. They are courageous, outspoken, and willing to stand up for what they believe is right, even against great opposition. They might be activists, social reformers, or whistleblowers. If you find yourself instinctively questioning authority and fighting for systemic change, you are likely a sacred rebel. Finally, we have the joy incarnate. These individuals radiate pure joy, optimism, and an infectious positivity. Their divine purpose is to spread light, laughter, and an uplifting energy, reminding others of the beauty and wonder of life. They are often beacons of hope, able to find the silver lining in any situation and inspire others to do the same. They live life with an open heart and a playful spirit, reminding everyone around them that joy is a powerful force for good. If you naturally bring cheer to others, see the best in every situation, and inspire happiness wherever you go, you are truly joy incarnate, a gift to the world. So, there you have it, 9 incredible types of chosen ones, each with a unique and vital divine purpose. Remember, these archetypes aren't rigid boxes. You might resonate with aspects of several types, or your purpose might evolve over time. The key takeaway here isn't to label yourself, but to recognize that every single one of us has a unique and valuable contribution to make to this world. Your existence is not accidental. You are here for a reason. Understanding these different roles can empower you to embrace your own gifts, clarify your path, and live a life aligned with your highest potential. It encourages us to look for these qualities in ourselves and in others, fostering appreciation for the diverse ways we collectively contribute to the tapestry of life. I hope this exploration has given you some food for thought and perhaps sparked a realization about your own unique journey. We are all connected, and when each of us steps into our purpose, the world becomes a brighter, more harmonious place. Thank you so much for joining me today on this journey of discovery. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with someone who might need to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more uplifting content. Your support means the world to me, and it helps us spread these positive messages far and wide. See you in the next video.